Oh yeah.
It has to come forward before it can go up.
Oops. So I guess we don't need to go to the gym today.
Well, I just need to do that like 18 more times and we're good.
And this is a really nice trailer. You're scared of nothing, are you? I don't think my Corvette would go up on that. We may have to get the angle of the bingo a little bit steeper. Gotta air the back of the bus up. Get a little more angle on the trailer.
We just won't wipe the grease off and remember to go over them when we unload it. Sound like a plan?
Yep. I wasn't gonna bring any of my Milwaukee stuff, but now I guess I will. I'm gonna go hear it from outside.
Straight pipe Series 60. We'll hurry up.
Well, hurry up.
We don't really know what's going on here. There's all kinds of other stuff going on in conjunction with streetcar takeovers, so we don't just have carte blanche to just drive around everything like we usually do. Adrian's doing Adrian stuff, dressed like a C5 owner.
Slap on socks.
I saw a couple Prevos out there, so maybe we'll find some races for old Big Al this time. I know I keep saying that, it keeps falling through, but one of these times it's gonna happen.
Wow, yeah, right there.
If I'd have known we were doing the stash, I would have clean shaved.
Pull forward just a little bit.
Well, I'll clean shave it, I guess. You got a razor? You got a razor?
Pull forward 3 feet.
What?
Pull forward 3 feet.
This is how magic is made. Well, he's making magic right now. Oh, look at those lights. Woody would be proud of the things in threes. This is the only place in the United States where they do Formula One, isn't it?
Yeah.
Zamboni every single garage and then leaf glue it out. So if you oil it down the track out here, it starts at $500 to clean it up. If you wreck your car, believe me, you'd rather just probably die than pay for what you did. So, so if you're gonna wreck it, you might as well wreck it pretty good.
This is where we're doing the road racing, huh?
Yeah, yeah. So
is this the front stretch or the back?
this is the front straightaway. So right right up here is technically the finish line. But so we'll back them up. Let's turn 20 down there. We'll back them up to the fence. It's 300 feet of run up. Then it's 1,000 feet. And then actually you can't see because the lights, so your camera won't pick it up. But there's like a little overhang deal. It's literally right here. We are standing on the finish line right here. So it's 1,000 feet. And then you have 1,600 feet of uphill braking to stop you. And it is so uphill that the golf cart won't even hardly make it up the hill.
No way.
I'm not even kidding you. It's crazy. So, it's gonna be fun. I'm excited.
They've never done this here, huh?
Never.
First time.
That's
Trailblazers.
Trailblazing.
I'm hungry, Cole. Where's the food?
I'm hungry. Swole cool.
Nice.
So we just want to figure out what tires to use for this, because it's starting from a 60-year-old tomorrow instead of 40 like I thought it normally is. So we're just going to put it in second, kind of see what RPM we're going to be at on the GPS here, because this is not correct anymore.